Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to replace the sky in CapCut. So let's get into it. Let's start by opening CapCut on your PC and creating a new project. Once CapCut opens up on the screen, import the video you want to use by going to the Media tab and clicking Import. Select your files and click Open. Once the video is imported, drag a video onto the track at the bottom of the screen. This is the video that we are going to use to replace the sky. Make sure the sky in the video is clear and unobstructed. Now, drag the sky footage onto a new track and position both videos correctly. Let's adjust the length of the video by stretching from one side. Next, select the sky footage and navigate to the top right in the Video Basic tab. Scroll down to find the blend mode and open it. Change the blend mode from default to linear burn. Now open the mask tool and select horizontal. Adjust the sky video in the preview tab and add some feather to blend it seamlessly. Open the basic section again and adjust the blend mode opacity by sliding the line according to your preference. Once you are done, let's play the video to have a preview. And that's it. This is how you can replace the sky in CapCut. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.